For this question, I've set a lot up already. First of all, check you agree with these factors. If you plug 1 into this formula, you get 6. If you plug negative 1 in here, you get 12. And if you try 2, you should finally find that does give you a 0. So if 2 is a root, that means x minus 2 is a factor. When we do our synthetic, remember to choose the opposite sign here. And I've already set it up ready to answer. So bring down the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Add these together. Multiply back. Negative 4 take away 2 is negative 6. And 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, giving 0. So we've actually got our factors now. X minus 2 and x squared minus 1x minus 6, which I got from these three numbers here. And the final part to this question is you factor this for a second time. So you would have x minus 2, and you would have x minus 2 again, and x plus 3 when you factor this. As we have a repeated factor, put x minus 2 squared, x plus 3. Now, one application for this is, if you were asked to draw a graph for this now, remember the roots were 2 and negative 3, so 2 and negative 3. And this one has a multiplicity of 2, which means it doesn't go through the axis. So when we draw our graph of x cubed, it goes like this. But we know to turn around at 2 because of that multiplicity. So we could equally use this question, rather than saying fully factor, if it said sketch, that's also how you'd go about sketching that cubic.